Hello, myself Komal Davda from LP Savani Vidya Bhavan. Today start the new chapter number system. In this chapter we will discuss on the storage units in the computer, number system, converting decimal to binary, converting binary to decimal, and computer arithmetic. Start with the storage unit in the computer. Bits. Now bit means it is the smallest data unit in the computer which contain a single binary value 0 or 1. A combination of bit is used to store information and data in the computer memory. The combinations may be a byte, a nibble, or a word, depending on the number of bits it can store. Now, what is byte? A combination of 8 bits forms one byte. Each byte represents one character, such as capital AB, small ab, 1 or 2. Now next is nibble. A nibble is a group of 4 bits. It can store one decimal digit in its binary form. Word. A group of bits representing a data or instruction that form the basic information unit of a computer is called a word. A computer stores information in the form of words. A word may be of 8, 16, 32 or 64 bits. The size of the word depends on the architecture of the computer. A machine with a 16-bit word is slower than one with a 32-bit word. The length of computer word is called word size or word length. Memory are given as follow. 1 byte equal to 8 bits. 1 kilobyte is equal to 1024 byte. 1 megabyte is equal to 1024 kilobyte. 1 gigabyte is equal to 1024 megabyte. 1 terabyte is equal to 1024 gigabyte. 1 petabyte is equal to 1024 terabyte. 1 exabyte is equal to 1024 petabytes. 1 zettabyte is equal to 1024 exabyte. 1 yottabyte is equal to 1024 zettabyte. Now start the next topic, number system. In early days, when there were no means of counting, people used to count with the help of fingers, stone, pebbles, stick, etc. This method had many limitations. Time to time, many number systems were introduced. Let us discuss them one by one. Decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system, and hexadecimal number system. Now start with the decimal number system. The decimal number system is what humans are most commonly. It is composed of 10 numerals 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Using this digit, you can express any quantity. It is called the base 10 system because it is used the 10 digit. The base number is called the radix. The decimal system is a positional value system in which the value of digit depend on its position. For example, consider the decimal number 256. The position of the rightmost digit is the 1th position. Each digit position has a weight that is the 10 times of the weight of the position to its right. Now see the table. The rightmost digit has the least positional value weight. Therefore, it's called the least significant digit, means LSD. The leftmost digit has the maximum positional value weight. Therefore, it is called the most significant digit. In the above example, 6 is the LSD and 2 is the MSD. Now, how to evaluate? 256 is equal to 2 into 10 raised to 2 plus 5 into 10 raised to 1 plus 6 into 10 raised to 0. Now evaluate this equation. Now let us consider the decimal number 49.12. The decimal point separates the whole number of the left from the decimal digit on the right. See the table. The position of the right of the decimal point are called the decimal places. The digit at the first decimal place show the number of 10th. Now let us consider the example 49.12. Evaluate this. 49.12 is equal to 4 into 10 raised to 1 plus 9 into 10 raised to 0 plus 1 into 10 raised to minus 1 plus 2 into 10 raised to minus 2. Now start the next topic, binary number system. A binary means 2. A binary number system consists of only 2 digits, 0 and 1. Since this system uses 2 digits, it has the base 2. All the digital computers use this number system and convert the data input from the decimal format to its binary equivalent. A digit in a binary system is called the bit. A bit stands for the binary digit. The binary language is also known as the low-level language, which your computer directly understands. See the table. In the table, the decimal number and their equivalent binary number given. Now, why the binary? Since the computer is made up of a electronic component, it can have only 2 states, either on or off. The data which is given to the computer is converted into binary form because a computer understands only the binary language. It further converts the binary results into their decimal equivalents for the output. Now the next topic is octal number system. The octal number system has a base of 8. It has 8 digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Each octal digit has its own positional value or weight, which is expressed as the power of 8. See the table. Now as an example, consider the 1267.12, an octal number with a fraction. As in the decimal and the binary number system, the radix points separate the whole number part from the fractional part. The places value of each digit to the left and the right of the radix point is equal to 8 raised to the successive positive or negative power respectively. Now see this table. In the table, the decimal, binary number and the octal number given. Now the next topic, hexadecimal number system. The hexadecimal number system has a 16 as the base number. It has a 10 numeric digit 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 and 6 letter A, B, C, D, E, F, where A is equal to 10, B is equal to 11, C is equal to 12, D is equal to 13, E is equal to 14 and F is equal to 15. The hexadecimal system is also a positional numbering system. The value of hexadecimal digit is expressed as the power of 16. See the table. As an example, consider the hexadecimal fractional number A65.C2. As shown below, the places value or positional value of each digit is the power of 16. Now see the table. In the table, the decimal number, binary number and hexadecimal number given. Now here we will stop the chapter. The remaining topic we will discuss later.